Hey guys, so I just wanted to say real quick, I did this video a few days ago, uploaded it, and I took it down because I feel like I was doing the most in the beginning, and so I just want to chopped it down so we could get right into it. So I had to make an intro, so here I am. This video is basically explaining what my spice is, where you can order, the cost of my spice, how you use it, and how you will receive it. So enjoy the video. Spicy Girl is a smoky, somewhere in the Middle Eastern realm, you know, spicy seasoning that could be used on meat, poultry, veggies, eggs, whatever you want to put it on, you can put it on. However, I created this spice to go on meat and poultry. However, child, when my spice dropped, my supporter who bought the spice, they were using it on everything. And I was just amazed because I didn't use it on everything. When I tested this, I tested it on meat and veggies. I didn't test it on, you know, eggs or avocado or salad. I didn't do that. I'm keeping it real, y'all. I didn't do that. But yeah, it's pretty much great on anything. The spices are $10 each, and they're 5.5 ounces, and this is how they come, just like this. When you order my spice, if you only order one spice, you're gonna get the pink package. Yes, y'all know I love my pink. I'm really extra. You're gonna get the pink package. Unfortunately, this go around, if you order 2 or more spices, I can't give you the pink package because then I'll have to give you like multiple, and that's like a waste because this is only made for like 1. If I put 2, the 2 will fit. Don't get me wrong, it will fit, but it's not, you know, it doesn't make sense. And I want everything to get to everyone in one piece. The way I package it is how I want you guys to get it and receive it. So this is how it will come. If you buy 1, if you buy 2, you're gonna get a little box, and you know, yeah. So let me tell you about lemon pepper. So then now I said, okay, Spicy Girl took off so well, why not create another spice that, you know, people really love? I actually got a cool idea about this lemon pepper because I wanted to do sauces, but I'm not even gonna say his name, but he encouraged me to do a lemon pepper. And so I did it, and I loved it. And it's great for anything, this lemon pepper, but it is especially amazing on seafood, fish, shrimp, lemon pepper wings. You already know the tea, and all those recipes will be coming full blown because y'all gonna get a little break this week. But these recipes are coming full blown, 2 to 3 videos a day, promoting myself starting next weekend. Okay, so anyway, you guys, so yeah, so that's my lemon pepper. I guess I should have put it up in the thing. I don't know why I didn't do that. It's called It's Lit Lemon Pepper. Let me put Spicy Girl in the camera. This is how it looks. They're both 5.5 ounces. You don't need a lot when you use them, so you could get quite a few uses out of my spices. Now, Spicy Girl, a lot of people think that it's hot as hell. It's not hot as hell. It does have a kick. It absolutely has a kick, but it's not hot as hell. Now, when you get your spice, first of all, I have a new distributor now, so the bottles are kind of different. When you get your spice, these big old holes, they're big as hell. You know, you get it. Be careful when you open it. You're gonna hear a snap. Let me be quiet. You heard that? You're gonna hear a snap. Your bottle is gonna automatically open, and on this end. This in here is to protect here as a second barrier so that nothing comes out. When I ship it to you, nothing is gonna spill and nothing can't get in. So the easiest way I saw to get this out. If y'all have an easier way y'all receive your spices, let me know. But when I received my bottles, I took this bottle opener and I pushed it through one of the holes, and it came right out. So that's how I open it, because y'all, that's it, it's open. The holes are super big. You don't have to worry about the spices not coming out. And you know what's crazy? I've never seen holes this big on the 5-ounce bottles. They're really big. So you don't have to worry, oh, I want da-da-da-da-da-da. No, the spices are gonna come right out. The peppers, the parsley, the thyme, everything is gonna come right out. So yeah, and I hope you guys, I want to thank you guys in advance for your support. I will not be able to do this if you guys weren't supporting me over the years and enjoying my recipes. I'm finally following my dreams. I don't know where this is going to go. I'll be lying if I said I did. I don't. However, I am coming out with more products. You guys know I am. Somebody lucky is actually gonna try a new product this weekend. And I want to get their feedback, you know, just to see what other people think besides just myself. And you know, the top of the year, you already know what's gonna happen. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great night. I want to thank you for being supportive. I can't wait to get these spices out to you guys. My shipping is fast. Oh, I didn't even get into that. My shipping is fast, as in it ships the same week, maybe not the same day, but my shipping is going to be twice a week. And I think that's Wednesday and Saturday is when I ship. My spices will be available through my website, www.mishascorner.com. But the link will not be there. You will not be able to order or buy anything until the site is made live where the spice is at. And that's when you'll be able to order your spice. It's a secured website. The payment is very secured. You do not need PayPal to make a payment or buy my spices, but PayPal is what it goes through. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye guys.